What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Bay Area BFS, and I'm super excited about this episode. So as you guys know, I got here an order from Platt.co. This right here is arguably the most anticipated JDM reel of 2023. People have been waiting for. This is the new Shimano Calcutta Conquest. I have not opened the box, just got delivered, and super stoked to get this thing opened and checked out. I don't have experience with the previous, 2017 Conquest BFS, so I can't speak about this one compared to the old one, but I do have some Aldebarans, and I do have some other round reels for my non-BFS fishing gear. But yeah, you know what? We'll skip all the chit chat. We'll just dive right into it. So here it is. Let's check it out. Oh, I'm so excited. I tell you what, I really love my low profile reels, BFS reels, but there's just something about a round reel, just the feel of it. It's probably not as efficient or as balanced as like a low profile reel, but something about round reels I just love. So here it is, right guys? There it is. Got me an interesting set of peanuts there. All right. The 2023 Conquest BFS. All right, let's look at the box. So this is the Calcutta Conquest 2023 BFS HG. Now, I know some of you are like, well, why didn't you wait till the XG came out? And generally I do like fast reels. So, I have a couple of the lower ratio reels, but the ones that I tend to use and I tend to really like are the ones that are like 8-to-1 ratio. But this time I was willing to go with the HG, and the reason why is because the lower ratio HG is still a 7.8-to-1. So I think the old one was a 6.5 or maybe even a little bit slower. I can't remember exactly the specs on that one, but this new one for their slower ratio still is pretty fast, 7.8-to-1. I think the new XG is somewhere in the realm of like 8.9-to-1. To me, the 7.8, anytime you're hitting the 8-to-1 ratio, anywhere around there, it's gonna run pretty fast. So that is why. All right. Voila. Here it is. First, we get a nice little reel bag. That'll be nice for storing the reel. Per the usual, got ourselves some instructions and parts list. Oh, and here we go. Let's see, we got some peanuts, more peanuts. And guys, this is like that not to nerd out over these peanuts, but this is like that soft, this is a really soft peanut. Kind of like that ice that comes out of the machine that's kind of shaped like this, and it's like really soft and crunchy. All right, nerding out. Holy cow, and here it is, guys. Here's the reel. Go ahead and show that. I cannot explain how much smaller this is compared to the standard round reels that I'm used to. And I'm gonna probably do some more recording back at the desk, and I have some other round reels to show by comparison, but this thing is pretty darn small. It's pretty tiny. Wow, that's smooth. Oh, and that is very soft. That is really nice. I don't know if you can... This thing is pretty tiny. All right, so interestingly enough, very much like the 2023 Aldebaran, Shimano did not include any oil with the reel. So I guess they're no longer including that. That was in my 2016 Aldebaran, but my 2022 Aldebarans did not have any oil in them. So let's see what we got here. All right, so we got the aluminum body here. That's just really pretty. Let me grab some. Looks like there's a little bit of oil or something on it. Let's just give it a quick wipe down here. Probably came off my hands. All right, so there it is, guys. This thing is tiny, absolutely tiny. Let me see, I don't know what. I'll try to find something that can give you an idea. Let me see. Standard baseball reel. Hopefully that helps give you an idea of how small this thing is. This thing is very, very small. And yeah. And it's so smooth. No play whatsoever in the handle or the knobs. Let's see. Nice drag, solid drag. So you can just tell just by listening to this thing, you know, I don't know if you could pick it up on, it's a GoPro, pick it up, but you can hear the quality. It's just a very, as you turn the knob, it's not loose or sloppy. It's very stable, very sturdy. It's still, you know, very easy to turn, but it's not, you can hear that, right? It's just very, very stable. And to me, that tells me, you know, no sloppiness. It tells me that true to Shimano, the higher end Shimanos, they are very, very strict on the tolerances. And there is just no slop whatsoever. Even this, look at that. The thumb bar, no movement whatsoever. And when you click down on it, it's very solid. It's more solid than I say probably the Aldebaran. We'll compare it, but man, that is just a nice. Obviously, you get the positive audible click, but there's just no movement whatsoever. It's just I'm pushing down on this thing, and there's just no slop whatsoever. Okay, there's no clicking on the braking setting. Very soft. All right, and what about this right here? Spool tension knob. Yeah, that is nice. Again, there's just absolutely no slop whatsoever on this thing. Let's see if we open this up. We'll turn that knob there. Oh, that's interesting. The whole plate now just comes out. You see that? I think the old one actually, this would just slide out. It would kind of do one of these, and you have to pull out the plastic. But no, this one just pops. The whole thing just pops out. I like that. There's the inside. You see the FTB brake system. 8 magnets. Man, this thing is milled to perfection. I mean, that is just tight coming out. Precision. We got the shaft. Looks like we got a little bit of extra grease there. And then we got a micro bearing with, it looks like a rubber gasket of some sort on it. Yeah, very, very nice. And this is what it looks like. I think the old one, if I remember correctly, had kind of like a plastic, somewhat transparent type plastic plate right here, face, or but this one is all, it's all aluminum. All right, let's see. Just pops into place. Looks like you have to, when you pull it all the way, when you put it back on, you gotta give it a little, once you push the little lever there, pull the lever, that's it, what pulls it back in and seals it. Freaking sweet, guys. Made in Japan. You can see that. It's etched in. Beautiful color. I mean, the color scheme on this thing is just, is beautiful. All right, let's go look at this. All right, so move locations here, just giving you guys much better look at this. the clicker, drag clicker, is very soft on it. All right, so let's take a look at this compared to the Aldebaran here. All right, so you can see compared to the Aldebaran that height-wise, it's a little taller than the Aldebaran. It actually isn't that much bigger than the Aldebaran, really. I don't know if you, let's see, can you guys see that? All right. And then we're going to look at the handles. The drag clicker is a little bit different. It's got a 5-star drag clicker on the Conquest, whereas the Aldebaran has a 6-star drag clicker. Slightly different. The handle looks exactly the same, which to me is great. I'm already very familiar with this handle, the dimensions, and just the feel of it. Interesting. I feel that the drag on this Conquest, for some reason, the drag on this Aldebaran feels pretty tight to me. Let me where's my other Aldebaran? All right, this is the this is a 2022 Aldebaran. Let's see. Okay. I don't know what's going on with this one. This one just feels really tight. I'll have to open it up, take a look at it. Maybe there's something jammed in there. But if you're familiar with the Aldebaran drag, I'm assuming this is going to be more in line with the standard feel. It's going to be very familiar. It's going to be very, very much the same. But yeah, guys, this right here, oh, I just feel like this could be my favorite reel, my new favorite reel. We'll have to take it out. I'll have to palm it, see how it palms on the rod, cast it out. But right now it just feels really good. Again, you know, in terms of height, a little bit taller. One thing I do like about the Aldebaran is this plate down at the bottom right here for my forward finger. This reel doesn't really have that. So I'm gonna have to probably put it underneath. I generally like to palm my reels like this. I don't know, we'll have to get it out and see it. Anyways guys, I just wanted to create this quick video. I'm not going to do very much editing. This is pretty much going to be as is. Let me know your questions. You know, what do you want to know about this reel? I'll do my best to answer them in a very, very timely manner. You know, I tell you what, this thing is just a beautiful, I mean, it's just stunning. I'm not even sure if I want to fish with it. This might just go straight into my collection. Also, my collection, I have non-BFS here, an old Shimano Calcutta. You can see how that looks. That there. One of my prized possessions, a Penn International 955 reel. Love this reel. These are all when I used to throw right-handed. Uh-oh, something just happened with my lights. And then here is an Abu Garcia 4600 C4. This Conquest is tiny, guys. Tiny. Man, I'm in love. I am absolutely in love. All right, anyways, thank you again for watching. Please let me know any questions you have. If you want me to inspect anything, weigh anything. Let me see. I don't have my scale handy, but yeah, if you need to know the tech specs, let me know what questions you guys have, and I'll do my best to answer them. Like I said, I just got home. This thing got delivered. I wanted to get this thing out as quickly as possible so you guys could see it. And then I'm going to probably do a more in-depth review with it. I want to get it mounted on a rod, and then obviously we want to do the on-the-water tests and impressions, throw out some light stuff, throw out some heavier stuff. I'm deciding what line to throw on here. I may throw P-line Fluoroclear, either 3-pound test or 4-pound test to do the initial test, or I might actually throw the Cast King mono. I got a 4-pound mono in there, just to give it a shot. But thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe, you know, for the to get notified for the future content. And please like this video. Let's share this with the community. I tell you, I think we got a winner here, and let's spread the word. You know, let's help others who might be interested in a higher end reel from Shimano, whether it's to fish with or simply add to their collection. This thing is stunning. I mean, it's all metal. It's solid, just absolutely solid. Again, you could just tell the discipline that went into producing this reel. The tolerances are, yeah, absolutely amazing. Looking forward to the new iFish Band round reel that's coming out soon. The BFS round reel that's coming out. Eager to do a comparison to see how the CDM round reel compares to this new JDM. But once again, thank you guys very much. Please subscribe, like the video, share with your friends. Let's get the word out, guys. The Conquest is here. All right, thanks, guys.